Hey there, Rod Bucton from Sports Adventure. Thanks very much for tuning in today for another great segment of Roddos Rules, where we take our standard old recipes, we flip them on their head and we take out all the bad stuff, put in the good stuff, put in the stuff that I think we should be eating a lot more of every single day to get the most out of you in your life, and so you can get out there and do all the bucket list stuff, all the fun stuff that you've wanted to do, you've thought about doing, haven't been able to do, haven't felt like doing, and get out and enjoy life. And that's what it's all about. Right, so today, what have we got? Well, one of the big things that I'm asked is snacks. What can I eat for snacks now you've taken all this stuff away? And things that come to mind, obviously, snack bickies, snack popcorn, all those things, and a good old favourite, Coca-Cola. We know this stuff is not all that flash. We've heard that again and again. So from the top, going to take that and slam that straight in the sin bin. I'm going to send that down to my brother-in-law. He loves that gear. He can't get enough of it. We're going to shoot that down to him. So, snack attack. Here we go. A few of our family favourites. This is stuff that my kids, my wife and I, we make every single day. Easy treats, easy to roll out, heaps and heaps of fun, not many ingredients, not much washing up, and really tasty, really, really healthy stuff. So, here we go. From our top, we've got our menu list. Here, we're going to start with a drink. So, winters are here now, it's a little bit cooler. We might feel like a warm drink. All right, we've got teas, we've got herbal teas, coffee, we've got all that sort of stuff. What about a chocolate milk or something like that? Something my daughter's come up with is using the good old milk frother with a bit of cacao powder to make a hot chocolate. So, we're going to get one of those going right now. Let's crack it on. So, I don't know if you guys know about a milk frother. Great little invention. As you can see, comes in a little cup. Pop your milk in there, fill to the line, and we're going to just chuck in 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. We're going to pop that in the top there. We're going to switch her on, throw the lid on, and hit the go button. And she's off and running. Give that a few minutes, and we're going to let that do its thing. Next one. Icy iced coffee. Now, iced coffee's been around for a long, long time, and we've got the cold brew coffees and all that sort of stuff, all those fancy things. I wanted to do something really simple and easy, something you can do at home. Right, let's go. What do we got? From the top, I took my good old decaf organic coffee, something that I drink in the afternoons. I want to cut down on my caffeine in the afternoons, so I'm not buzzing all the way through dinner and through the night, can't get to sleep. Decaf coffee, I take that and I put that into a metal flask. This one, about a litre. So we put 4 teaspoons of this into the metal flask, bit of hot water just to dissolve it, fill it up with cold water, slam it in the fridge, and it's there as a nice cold drink. So then we take that, afternoon tea comes around, a little bit of ice in our mug, and straight out with icy iced coffee. As you can see there, beautiful refreshing drink, and top it up, a little bit of full cream milk, always full cream, don't go with that low fat stuff, no taste, no flavour, stick with the full cream, we want healthy fats, good healthy food. Bang, straight in, milk to serve, done. Beautiful, beautiful drink. Love it, absolutely love it. There we go. So a couple of easy milk, easy drinks. A good old favourite, something I always come back to, sparkling mineral water. I love sparkling mineral water. Obviously no sugar, bit of fizz, bit of buzz there, and good old favourite, been around for a long time. Easy drink, and just add in a slice of lemon or lime or something like that. Super easy, super simple. Look at that, beautiful lemons, look at those. They're from my next door neighbour. He spins them in over the fence from his tree in the backyard. Easy food, healthy food. We're going to chop that in half again, pop that in there, and there we go. Beautiful, refreshing drink. So there's another one. Keep going through our list. Slinky Apple snacks. Now this one I love. You might remember it from when you were a kid as well. These have been around for a long time, but kind of come back in fashion more recently. And kids love this gear. This is a cool little machine. You might remember it, may never have seen it before, but just check this out. Okay, so this is the little gizmo. Great little gizmo. Take an apple, make sure you get rid of that little sticker on it because that's not real flash. Okay, so we want to push the apple onto this, there you go, little milk frother's ready, so we'll come back to it. You want to push this onto the spike there. We're going to roll it through. Make sure it's centered on the core of the apple. Now check this out. Watch this. You guys will love this. Watch this. Check it out. Doing its thing, doing its thing, doing its thing. Comes all the way to the end, all the way to the end. Peel it off. There's the core. And there is the, untangle him there a bit. There is the Slinky Apple. And check that out. Look at this. It's unreal, and kids love this gear. Easy to eat. My daughter's got braces, so he can't bite into things that are too hard and all that sort of stuff, but they still love apples. So we take something like this. We'll pop him out of the way for a minute. Something like this, and we can add, a couple of things to it. You can eat it, obviously, as an apple by itself. Sliced apple, beautiful, healthy, good food. We use pink lady apples. We love them. Get them most of the year round, good, healthy food. So we can add a couple of things to them. So from the top, we can add a bit of cinnamon to it. Eat it by itself, as I said. A little bit of cinnamon, just a little bit of, just a little bit over the top, a little bit of flavour, or something a little bit different, almond butter. So we use an all-natural almond butter, and there's a swag of different almond butters out there. Keep in mind, some of them, lots and lots of little special little things added to them we want to steer clear from. Things like processed vegetable oils and all this other stuff. So we want a good natural almond butter, pretty much just ground up almonds, done. So we're going to take a bit of that. As you can see, look, it's chunky, it's coarse, but super tasty, and we're just going to layer that up in between the apple like that. And it's a bit cool today. It's got a little bit firm in there, but there we go. Anyway, we've got cinnamon on the apple, and we've got almond butter on the apples. Beautiful. Super, super tasty treat there. Kids love it. Next one, banana nut split. Again, similar to the idea with the apples. Take a banana, we're going to take it. Kids love this gear, and the kids love to get in the kitchen and cook and do things that are easy. Don't take too much time, don't make too much mess, and get a good little tasty result. So we're going to take that, we're going to split that banana down the middle, like so. We're going to chop him in half, so we've got basically 4 quarters. And again, we're going to take that almond butter. We're just going to layer that almond butter up in the middle of that banana. Make a little sandwich if you like. Close him up like that. We're going to do that a couple of times. Anyway, you get the drift. You get the drift. So you've got another super quick, super easy snack. You've got a bit of fruit there. You've got almonds, good, healthy fats. We want focus on the healthy fats, good food, and another beautiful little snack there to enjoy. Another one for the kids. And finally, crunchy carrot sticks. Again, a similar favourite. We love these at home. You just, again, super easy, super simple. Quick peel of the carrot. Chop the bits off we don't want, and we're going to turn that into sticks. A little bit rough there on the chop. Carrot sticks there, and basically you can just take those and you can just dip them in the almond butter and just eat it as a snack. Beautiful, done like that. Again, super healthy, super good food, almond butter, good fats, love it, love this gear. So there we go. Oh, and my old favourite, can't forget my old favourite, the dark chocolate. Look at this, 99%. Absolutely beautiful. It tastes like cooking chocolate, but once you get used to it, good, healthy food all the way around, and particularly a little bit of dark chocolate for a treat. So that's what we got here today. Thanks very much for joining us. We've had great snacks, some great little drink. Oh, I missed the milk frother. Here we go. Pop that one off. Ah, there we go. Chocolate milk. Almost forgot. How good is that? Beautiful, beautiful. Pop that on there. Oh, that's hot. Beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Can't get enough of this stuff, and you guys can do this too. It's not hard, easy, good, healthy food, quick to make, and as I said, the kids love to do this stuff. I'm really pleased you come along today. Thanks very much for joining in. Another segment of Roddos Rules. If you want to find out more, jump onto our website, sportsadventure.com.au. All our recipes laid out there. We've done a whole swag of things. We've done some banana pancakes. We've done a teas cake. And last week, fish and chips. But not your old soggy, greasy fish and chips. This is real fish and chips. Beautiful food, easy to do, easy at home. And something that I've thought about is, I never thought I'd be doing this sort of stuff. I've always turned off the cooking shows, gone to another channel in the past, but now doing all this, we're doing it at home with my family anyway, and sharing all these great things that I've learned with you guys, absolutely loving it, getting lots of good feedback, and I hope you're enjoying the series as well. Thanks for tuning in, great to be here again, and see you next week.